Welcome to Facts and Information. In this documentary we will tell you some mysterious animals of our Earth. Number 1. The goblin shark. This is a deep-sea shark that lives in the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. It is rarely seen because it lives at depths of at least 4,265 feet. The goblin shark has a long, narrow snout and a protruding mouth that can retract. It is also has sharp teeth that are arranged in rows. Number 2. The blobfish. This is a deep-sea fish that lives in the waters off the coast of Australia and New Zealand. It is named for its pudgy, wrinkled appearance. The blobfish is a deep-sea fish that lives at depths of up to 6,000 feet. The pressure at these depths is so great that the blobfish's body has become flabby and its eyes have bulged out. Number 3. The giant squid is the largest invertebrate on Earth. It can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh up to 4,000 pounds. The giant squid is rarely seen because it lives in the deep ocean. Number 4. The colossal squid. This is closely related to the giant squid, but it is even larger. Number 6. The pangolin. This is a mammal that is covered in scales. There are 8 species of pangolin, and they are found in Africa and Asia. Pangolins are nocturnal and eat ants and termites. They are also the only mammals that can roll up into a ball.